We're at Commodore Park at Lake Wildwood in Penn Valley. This is a beautiful large home at one end of the very large park. And you can see picnic tables throughout the park. Right on the lake. There's a swing set for the kids. Large body of the lake, and there's a pavilion where you can have large gatherings. And a very expansive lawn area. Big enough for an entire football field or more. And that's the community center in the background. And tennis courts way in the background. We'll get some shots of that here shortly. There goes some geese. This is the other end of Commodore Park. There's a volleyball net. More picnic tables. And another volleyball area right here. And we're at the edge of the marina. And if you pan all the way around, again, the community center. And another area of the park where you have an entire softball field. And then there's the edge of the tennis courts right there. Again, the softball field. And now we'll go find the horseshoes and basketball court. Something for everyone. Here we are again. This is the shuffleboard area. And we have 2 horseshoe pits. And then there is where you can play some basketball. We're right near the marina, and there's the community center with an outside deck that just has a glorious view. And you'll see that view in a moment. Behind me is the lake. There's the marina. And there's the beautiful lake. Commodore Park, Penn Valley, one of the largest parks, I'm sure, anywhere in California at a country club.